Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison of two pairs, that is VSCO and Remini. So there is a photo editing app battle. Let's get started. VSCO or Remini, which photo app deserves space on your phone? This 60-second showdown compares filters, AI magic and editing power, perfect photo for photographers and social media lovers. Blurry selfies. Do you have blurry selfies or dull vacation pics? VSCO and Remini both promise to fix them, but which one actually delivers? Let's settle this in 60 seconds. Best for. Look at the feature of what is best for. VSCO is best for artistic editing, or Remini is best for photo restoration. So who's the winner? They're both different, so we can't really say. When it comes to AI magic, VSCO has basic filters, while Remini has HD face enhancement. So the winner, definitely Remini. When it comes to filters, VSCO has 200 plus preset filters, while Remini has 10 enhancement modes. So the winner, definitely VSCO. When it comes to ease of use, VSCO has simple sliders, while Remini has one-tap fixes. So the winner is a tie. When it comes to unique features, VSCO has film presets, while Remini has old photo repair. So the winner, they're both winners. When it comes to price, VSCO has free plan plus a $20 per year plan, while Remini has free plan plus pay per HD plan. So the winner, VSCO. So you see, VSCO is equal to filter queen, but Remini's AI can resurrect blurry pics from the dead. So if you want style, go for VSCO. If you need miracles, go for Remini. So team VSCO or team Remini, comment your pick below. Smash like if this saved your photos. Subscribe for more app battles. Don't forget to comment on which app saved your worst photo. See you in the next video.